Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a hacked LinkedIn account, complete guide step by step clearly. If you suspect that your LinkedIn account has been hacked, act immediately. First, try to log in to your LinkedIn account. If you can't access your account, click on Forgot Password on the login page. Enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from LinkedIn. If you don't receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you still can't find it, try the account recovery options provided on the login page. If you gain access to your account, change your password right away. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password. If you can't recover your account through the previous steps, visit the LinkedIn Help Center. Look for the Hacked Accounts section for specific recovery options. Follow the instructions for reporting a hacked account directly to LinkedIn. You may need to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing identification. Keep an eye on your email for any responses from LinkedIn during this time. Once you regain access, review your recent activity for any unauthorized changes. Check your connections, posts, and messages for anything suspicious. Remove any connections or changes that you did not authorize. Enable two-step verification to add an extra layer of security. Consider updating your email's password as well to prevent future hacks. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity moving forward. Stay informed about security tips and best practices for protecting your LinkedIn account. Regularly update your password and review your privacy settings. Keep software and devices up to date to ensure you have the latest security protections. Being proactive can significantly reduce the risk of future hacks. If necessary, consult with LinkedIn's customer service for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.